Who art thou, Juliet?
Who is there?
It is I, Romeo. I am here to take your hand in marriage.
I can't bear to have somebody's hand in marriage who doesn't know how to solve equations using matrices.
I will learn.
I'll come back for you.
He traveled long and far.
Hello, priest.
Hi.
I am here to learn how to solve systems using matrices so I could claim my love, Juliet.
I can't help. The first step is you have to set it up into your matrices. Remember to look at your signs and your coefficients to set it up. You're going to start by making your first bracket. Where the placement are in the equation is where they'll be in your bracket. So you look at the coefficients first. This is 2 and this is -1. So you'll put them in the correct placement. Oops, not -2. Next is 3 and 2. Next, you put your x and y to maintain the variables. And you set it to what it's equal to. And you're all set up. So the next steps, 2 and 3, are kind of combined. What you're going to do is you're going to take the equation we previously set up and you're going to plug it into your calculator to find your answer. So we're just going to label each part of your equation. So we plug it into the second equation, it makes sense. So we're going to call this matrix A, this matrix X, and this matrix B. All right, so we're trying to find X, which is your answer. So the equation is A minus 1 times B equals X. Now watch the next clip to show how to plug it into your calculator.
When starting with your calculator, you're going to start by going to the matrix button and plugging in that A matrix. And then you're going to do the same thing with your B matrix. Then you're just going to do exactly what you do for the equation. You're going to click go A and then that second button. And then you're going to do your B matrix. And don't forget to do the -1. And then when you press enter, that's your answer.
As you saw, as we plugged into the calculator, this is what we did. We put this matrix, which as you saw last time, was the A matrix, and we did it to the -1, which is, like we said in the equation, which, just so you remember, is A, which is that A matrix, to -1 times your B matrix equals your X, which is your answer. So we did that, we plugged that into the equation, and we got 3, 2, which is your answer.
Juliet, my love, I have learned how to solve equations using matrices and we can finally be together.
Oh, Romeo, come here, my love.